If you want to give your videos a cinematic, polished look, adding LUTs in CapCut on PC is one of the fastest ways to do it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add LUTs in CapCut PC, how to import your custom LUT files, how to apply them to a single clip or your whole timeline, and how to adjust the intensity so your colors look natural and professional. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open CapCut on your PC and start a new project. Once your project is open, bring in the footage you want to edit by dragging your video file onto the timeline. This gives you a clip to work with, and it also lets you preview how the LUT changes the look of your video in real time. Now, to find the LUT tools, look at the top of the workspace and click on the Adjustment tab. This is where CapCut keeps its color and correction tools. After that, check the left sidebar panel and click on LUT. This opens the LUT section where you can manage and apply different looks to your footage. Next, you need to upload your custom LUT files. Click the Import button, then browse your computer and find the LUT file you want to use. CapCut officially supports .cube and .3DLL formats, so if your file is one of those, it should import without any issue. Once you select the file and open it, CapCut will add it to your LUT library inside the app. Now let's apply the LUT. If you only want the effect on one clip, click on that individual clip on the timeline. Then go over to the right panel, open the Adjust menu, choose Basic, and look for the Imported LUT in the drop-down list. Select it, and you'll see the color style instantly applied to that clip. This is great when you want different clips to have different looks. If you want the LUT to affect your whole edit, there's an even quicker method. Just drag your imported LUT directly from the left LUT panel down onto the timeline. CapCut will create a customized adjustment layer, and you can stretch that layer across multiple clips. This is really useful when you want a consistent cinematic color grade throughout the entire video. After applying the LUT, the last step is to fine-tune the intensity. Select the applied LUT or the adjustment layer, then find the intensity slider. Move it up if you want a stronger color effect, or lower it if the LUT feels too heavy. This step is important because not every LUT will look perfect at full strength. A slight adjustment often gives you the cleanest and most professional result. Take a moment to preview your video and compare the before and after look. If the colors still feel too strong, lower the intensity a little more. If the image looks flat, increase it until it has the style you want. The goal is to enhance your footage without making it look unnatural. And that's how to add LUTs in CapCut PC the easy way. You now know how to import custom LUTs, apply them to a single clip or your entire timeline, and adjust the intensity for the perfect finish. If this video helped, please like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.